Yo, what's going on, guys? Evan Sanford here. We're back. Jackie Robinson. I love seeing. I love seeing that name, Jackie Robinson. I might change my position, so I'm not sure if Jackie Robinson played center. Shout out to Bobby Crosby because he kind of did this and he taught me about it. Well, he didn't really talk to me, but he's doing a Babe Ruth. My God. He's doing a Babe Ruth and then. Oh. Oh, why am I swinging? Why am I swinging? It was up in the freaking top, that's all. That's all. Ooh, nobody out. Okay, right here. That's where he's hitting it. Right here. Right here. No. Go to the cutoff. Yeah! I think I'll be better at. Why did I need to see that play again? Oh, yeah. Oopsie. Hopefully you guys were able to see. I feel stupid now. Question of this game. Why do I need to see these? What is your favorite? Well, no. Strikeout and a fly out. Absolutely horrible. Lead off the bottom of the fifth. Ouch. Okay, here we go. Okay. Promise I'm not bad. Run! Jackie, run! That wasn't that bad. I got a solid contact, at least. I'm going 0 for 3. I'm absolutely horrible. Can I at least get a... Wow! Okay, no scout would want me. Oh, man, that was a good pitch. As you can tell, I am definitely not used to left-handed batting. Oh my. I feel embarrassed. I think I'm doing the absolute worst. I got it. I would laugh if we both collided. Okay, we won. I did horrible. Let's upgrade something. 4 minutes in and we're already done. Question of the game. What is your favorite what is your favorite video game? Put it down below. 541 fielding, yes. Reaction, yes. Arm strength, yes. 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 Oh no. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get into the second game. I have had absolutely nothing. I am horrible. Since I'm doing Jackie Robinson, I would have to pick, Dodgers, and I might pick the Dodgers, or I might just get drafted by a team. I don't know. Put down below, do you want me to pick a team, pick the Dodgers, or do you want me to get drafted? Let me know. Here we go. Okay, here we go. First pitch. Isn't in my zone, but a splitter. Wow, what a pitch to hit. Ball. Ooh, I would have disagreed with that one, though. Yes, I got a hit. Why did he even throw it? He opened up the ball game with a hit. Oh yeah, Showtime. I definitely could not have tagged up. I feel like I'm like the worst YouTuber ever, so I'm using. Oh god, no. Okay, stop it. That guy has a nice mustache. What's this? I don't know what's wrong with me. Don't ask. 1-1. I'm stealing. Oh, he was safe. Ooh, just like I said, ooh, dummy, that like I said something. I got it. Robinson. See, now if it's Jackie Robinson Day, I won't need to change my jersey because I already have 42. I like how it doesn't have a last name because it's like back in the old days. This game is like a Frank. Oh, triple? Triple, definitely a triple. Stand up a triple. Stand up triple. Sack! Yes, stand up triple. Jackie Robinson triple, single. There's nothing wrong with these. Number 34. Horrible. Gotcha. Got your number. What? Okay, I'm tagging up. No. Oh, no. Third. I need to remember to third. Okay. That was weird. Huh. Sebastian. I got it. Oh, I'm gonna pretty decent fielder, I think. Am I coming up? Yes. We're now person on second. Oh, I thought it was out. Oh, then crap. Then I have no chance of getting an RBI. I ain't that stupid. Okay, maybe I am. It's too dark. I feel like the footage is going to be absolutely horrible. Does this light turn on? No. Oh yeah, if any of you guys played MLB 15, there is no simulation, it just skips right to it. Oh. Top the sixth, one person on, one out. Foul. I shouldn't have swung, I should have let him go. Okay, let's do that now. Safe. Don't run, why did he run? Of course he ran. I messed up. Yawn going, zapping here. Ooh, I might need to make a throw home. Ooh. Throw home? Yes, throw home. Oh, wait. Oh! It was so close. Gotta admit, you guys saw that, I was close. Hopefully you did. I did. I got you! Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Here, I'm playing second. Top of the ninth. 5-7. Ugh. No. I guessed it too. Darn. Ooh. No. 22. You have a time run, son. I'm out. You stay. Ouch, we lost. We had to lose. 5-7. Sorry, I think I'm doing very good. Thanks to level 10 with my rank. Yeah, there are perks now. 14 minutes. Oh crap. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and bye.